Welcome back to the Universal Things YouTube channel. Imagine looking up at the night sky, and instead of seeing the serene moon, you notice it's slowly drifting toward Earth, a sight so terrifying, yet impossible to look away from today. We explore the unimaginable. What would really happen if the moon crashed into our planet? At first, gravity would start tugging the moon closer, causing tides unlike anything we've ever seen. Oceans would surge with unimaginable force, flooding coastlines worldwide. Coastal cities would vanish under walls of water, and entire ecosystems would be thrown into chaos. The moon's approach would create earthquakes so massive, the ground itself would fracture, mountain ranges would crumble, and cities built near fault lines would be obliterated. Humanity's fragile infrastructure wouldn't stand a chance against such raw, planetary power. As the moon got closer, the sky would transform. Meteors and debris from lunar collisions with Earth's gravity would rain down, creating fiery streaks across the atmosphere. The night sky would glow like never before, a deadly celestial spectacle. The atmosphere itself would struggle under the moon's pull. Violent storms, hurricane-force winds, and tornadoes spanning hundreds of miles would sweep continents. Humanity would face the ultimate test of survival against nature unleashed on an unprecedented scale. Impact would be the final, catastrophic event. The moon, weighing over 73 quintillion tons, would collide at thousands of miles per hour. The energy release would be trillions of times more powerful than all nuclear weapons combined, vaporizing everything nearby instantly. The collision would eject billions of tons of rock into space, creating a new ring around Earth, similar to Saturn's but deadly. These fragments would rain down for years, bombarding the surface and leaving the planet scarred for millennia. They would turn into night as dust and debris filled the atmosphere. Sunlight might be blocked for months or even years, plunging Earth into a prolonged winter. Crops would fail. Temperatures would drop, and survival would become a desperate struggle. Volcanoes worldwide would awaken from the seismic shock. Lava flows, ash clouds, and pyroclastic storms would reshape the land. The planet's crust would fracture, oceans would boil, and the very air we breathe could become toxic in some regions. Life as we know it would face near extinction. Only the hardiest species, capable of surviving extreme cold, heat, and radiation, might endure. Humanity's legacy could be erased, leaving Earth a barren, cratered wasteland. But the moon crashing into Earth isn't just science fiction, it's a reminder of the fragile balance in our cosmic neighborhood. One shift, one collision, and the world could change forever, teaching us the value of understanding space and our place in it. Yet, despite this terrifying scenario, Earth and Moon have maintained harmony for billions of years. The gravitational dance is a delicate balance we often take for granted, shaping tides, seasons, and life itself. So next time you gaze at the moon, remember, it is both a symbol of romance and a celestial guardian, keeping us safe in ways we barely comprehend. Its crash would be unimaginable, but its presence is a miracle of cosmic balance.